Am I in focus?
Yes, you're in focus.
Can you see me?
You're in focus now.
Good.
Doesn't help when you stand at the back of the workshop. Welcome back to the channel. I've been playing.
You have been playing. I've been away.
You've been gallivanting. So Emily's been off to Portugal.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. If you've not been, I recommend Porto. Lovely.
Good wine.
Good wine, good food, lots
wine.
to see. Very hilly though. There was a lot of walking uphill.
However, I have spent 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
Yeah, because some of it was before I went, and then I went away for 5 days, yeah.
Yeah, so we cleared off Jules's bike, got that done.
Yes.
Had a great time at Stafford. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
It's done.
Jerry will be happy. We did forget to do
Project
it
done.
at the end of the build.
We did.
We need to remember that.
We did.
But yeah, so we got rid of Jules's bike. That sounds really like...
No, but it was good. It had
was.
a good ending. It was nice.
And we've had some bikes. They've been here for a while. So you'll notice just over Emily's shoulder is the IT490, which is still here.
Yeah. You say you've been here for a while. Been here nearly 12 months, these bikes.
So the IT490 is waiting for parts. So we got in contact with Rex's speed
We've
shop.
had to have something made, haven't we?
So we've
Yeah.
got a brand new CDI unit made and we're just waiting for that to come back. So they've tested it, apparently it's on the bench. It just needs putting into a box and whatever they do. So we should get that back and then we can get that built back up, back to Alex.
Yeah.
We gain some more space. And another offender of space occupying
is Luke's Suzuki, because he moved house in December last year and asked if he could store it while he moved.
It's still here.
It's being stored.
In the throes of being stored here, turns out
You've
I've built it with him. Just drying your hair, mate. Just drying your hair, mate. The heat. So he's been here.
You say this, but what you need now is my help, because whilst I was away, you took it out for a ride and then Luke had to push it home.
He did. So this bike Luke bought from DK Motorcycles as a US import with I couldn't even describe the carburettor. It had been gone at with hammers and chisels and pliers and it wasn't very pretty. So we always knew this bike needed a carburettor, and then Emily built the Honda.
Yes.
So therefore we weren't using the carburettor off the 250 engine. So Luke decided to jump on and see if this would work. And it kind of makes it make a noise, but then, like you say, you had to push it back. So we decided this probably isn't the avenue to go down, and he really doesn't want to spend money on a carburettor.
He doesn't like spending money full stop.
He doesn't. And I've said, I think we can fix this with an AMAL. He's reticent to that because he can't stand the AMALs that are on his Triumph. However, I said, I'll build a carburettor up, which I've done. And if we get it running, he has to pay the parts and eat his hat. If it doesn't get it running and working fine, I get to keep it a shiny new carburettor for the BSO. So
that sounds fair.
what we need to do now, I do need your help, is get that carburettor and that new ignition coil on that bike.
And see if we make a noise?
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan.
Do you want a camera?
Let's go.
Look what I made earlier.
Oh, you did. You've been doing this all day today, haven't you? Out in the...
All day. People will have seen the B-roll of this, actually, but yes.
Couple of hours. You've been out on the... I don't know what that machine's called that lives in our garage.
That's just a bandsaw. But nice.
I don't think I didn't notice you put the potato bike out in the rain.
Oh, I forgot that was out there as well, yeah. And they came back out. But yeah, nice bit of Permatex. Okay. 2 bolts. 1 flangey. Where are you going to want to be to see?
Doesn't matter because your hands aren't transparent no matter how many times I've asked you to make them.
Oh, that's nice. For those that didn't see, Emily just offered to hold a bolt, I think. She put her hand out anyway, so that's what I've assumed from that gesture.
It's like I know what I'm doing, like I've been here before.
Like the old days, this is, isn't it?
Can you hear some like high-pitched beeping?
Yeah, it's the charger for the DeWalt batteries. I'm amazed, you know, I did this. This is one of the first manifold flanges I've done, where it's the first attempt, and I only did the holes 0.5 millimetre over diameter, so clearance, for the bolts, and they just wind in, look. They're not tight, they just fit.
Just fit. Snug. It's like you know what you're doing.
The good news is as well, so this, the flange here, say flange, whatever that is, spigot, fits a Makuni as well.
Ah, okay.
So if this AMAL doesn't work, there's other carburettor options that can go on there. Next, shiny new rubber boot. And what I do have is a temporary throttle assembly. Because I need to make a cable.
Temporary.
Temporary.
Temporary. Which one of us is right?
Temporary. He's snug in there, he is. Look at that. Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, that was a satisfying click forward, wasn't it?
These are lovely. Saving Japanese motorcycles. 1 AMAL carburettor at a time. It's the way forward.
Is it?
I think so.
And for those of you that haven't had a look, I had an excellent Halloween idea, and it is in our posts.
Oh, it is.
This is only going to come out 2 days after Halloween, this video.
Had a head transplant.
Yeah, you did transplant the skeleton head to the pumpkin head. But we did keep getting told by the trick-or-treaters' parents that we had excellent decorations.
Okay. So, one thing to add. So Luke took this bike out, as you said, and he encountered some issues, and then it did just stop. Now, it seemed like it was a fueling issue, because it kept going lean and revving up as well on its own. However, I did say to him, the coil that's on here is the original Suzuki coil from 1980, 1981, somewhere there. So I said to him, replace the coil, and while we're at it, just make sure that it grounds out properly.
So it's only about 20 years ago.
Yeah. One of these.
Oh, it's very shiny.
Do you think it's going to work?
Yeah. Because I'm back.
Does everybody in the watching think it's going to work?
Yeah, because I'm back.
I think they should comment below now, before we get to the end of this video. If you comment after you've watched the video, then that's cheating.
Ah, so people just in the premiere.
Well, no, even people watching after the fact, but they need to comment at this point while watching the video and not watch the end.
How would we know?
Well, we won't, but they would know.
Oh,
and
so
then they'd have to live with that shame. asking for honesty.
Honesty. Putting out some trust.
Yeah, and some transparent hands would be nice.
They'd be really good right now.
How long has it been since we did one of these videos?
I don't know, because I've been enjoying like being out and riding out while we've had some dry days. And like I say, I did also have a cheeky holiday.
You did enjoy talking to lots of people at Stafford as well.
I did enjoy that. Oh, and I did enjoy, on my holiday, I went with two of my girls, and I did have to make them stop while I took photos of a mash that I saw while I was on holiday. It's like one of mine.
Who is this person? Who is this person that stops on holiday and looks at motorbikes? Because years ago when I did that...
I just kept walking. That was satisfying.
You say things like, you don't have to stop and look at everyone.
I know, but I did. I stopped at a Bonneville and I stopped at a mash.
So you do have to stop at everyone.
Only them types of ones. There was a lot as well that began with a Z. I can't think what brand it was. I'll Google it. There was a lot of adventure touring bikes. They were extremely popular. I did only see... Oh, I saw one Harley Davidson because the bloke had bubbles coming out the back of it.
Bubbles?
Bubbles. I was in a wine bar and he pulled up outside of this American dinery thing that was there with axe throwing and stuff going on. And he had bubbles coming out the back of his bike.
We are close.
We are. This is exciting.
So this is fully rewired.
Yeah.
It is also, it's a 6-volt standalone ignition with generator converted to 12 volt.
Is it kickstart?
Yeah, only. It's going to be fine, isn't it?
How's your knee feeling?
And that does snap back. Might have to turn that carburettor a little bit. We do have compression.
Okay. You're going to want to open the door as well.
I want fuel.
Closer.
A bit warm now.
Yeah, but see,
Want some kicking?
I fixed that for you.
You fix that
Well
for me.
done. Welcome.
AMAL fixes everything.
I have just been laughing. It wasn't on video, but his mirror fell off. And somebody had a little tantrum about it. Because our friend Luke, like I say, he is a bit...
He likes a bargain.
Yeah. A bargain.
We all know what that means.
And then things just fall off.
Yeah. But it's running, so I need to make a throttle cable up now.
Yep.
To the correct length and to his throttle with his funny grip that he's picked.
Yep.
So we'll get that running, get back together, and the next time we see this bike, I think we'll see Luke trying to ride it around. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. We've got a couple of little bits, haven't we? So we're going to do a little bit on that BSA at some point.
That's a 2026 project.
Along with...
We've got in. But this Royal Enfield that has also sat here now for over a year, because we had this before we had Bubba.
We did.
But then Tom, bless, has got a very busy life and
Yes.
a family with small children, and it was not at the forefront for him to be investing and chucking money pennies.
I don't think he
at a
perhaps
Royal
is right
Enfield.
now, but
No,
he is
but
in a
he is.
position to...
He is ready, so that is also going to be the next thing. So we're aiming now to have these two go back to their homes, hopefully in the next month. So we're the start of November now, hence all the fireworks outside. Hopefully they'll go home, and we'll have a bit of a reset of the space because it feels needed. And yeah, then 2026, these two projects coming up. Some MASH maintenance.
Some Honda finishing.
Honda finishing. We're going to work with the machine shop, aren't we?
Yeah.
Doing some sort of tutorial-based stuff with some of the wiring, because it needs a whole wiring harness. So that should be coming. All like 2060 kind of stuff, along with more riding, because we've got our heated bits and pieces.
To play with.
And yeah, we've also got Motorcycle Live coming, because we are going there, because it's down the road.
And we've got something we're doing next week that we won't mention yet, but there will be a video coming on that that's a really exciting ride out.
Yeah, and we've got a couple of stuff coming as well that we've done but not yet put out to you guys, because we've got Dobbs's little interview thing at Bolt Motorcycles. Yeah. We went down to London, so that should come out, and we also went to Industry and Supply, so we've got a bit of stuff on that. There's loads, like we've done this in
the can,
stuff.
which I haven't edited.
I've had some lovely comments lately, which is just nice.
And some nice coffees as well.
Yes.
It always helps.
It is lovely, but like you watching and you taking the time to comment, I read them all. I don't always have time to reply to them all. I do as many as we can, but yeah, I do always really appreciate it. So yeah, hit like, hit subscribe, keep coming. We're still going to be here.
We'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, see you next time.